Welcome back. It's Saturday. Today we're gonna cut this inside out. Take all this out now that we got the outside all done. We'll cut it probably right down through here. Down through there. All the way up across the top. Take this side out once. Well, got it all cut out. Enough for putting in the sunroof anyways. That's how the inside looks. Here's those pieces of wood I said earlier that I had put in there. Take those out. Somebody wants to convert their big window into a small window on this year of truck. I got a piece for you if you need it. So I measured in 26 inches to both sides, and that comes out to 12. Half of 12 is 6. Got the center of that, line the two up. This is flipped upside down, by the way. That's what I was doing earlier, is welding these little tubes there just to keep it straight, because the profile of the truck isn't quite as much curved as this sunroof surround is. So I wanted to make sure that doesn't lose its curvature. So this doesn't lose its curvature. So the window, when you put the window in, it'll, yeah, sit flush where it's supposed to be. This stuff right here, this factory sound deadening material, that stuff smolders and smolders. Yeah, I gotta go clean that up so it doesn't make a mess. But got the top cut out. Well, we got a hole. So I decided to just take the inside skin out. The inside, oh, would you call it the inside roof skin or the ceiling? The ceiling above the headliner, I guess. Whatever you would call it. I decided to take that out because it's not going to be the right height for the sunroof anyways, so I'm just going to take it out, make a new piece. I have to make a piece here, like a curved piece to finish this off, and then this headliner won't match. The piece in between here is not going to match anyway, so I'll just take this out and make one piece go all the way across there. That's my logical thinking I'm having right now. Headliner made in the right way. Should be able to just maybe make like a bracket system around the outside edge for the headliner to hold up to. Main reason is the headliner, this sunroof is going to bring the ceiling down just a little bit, so I have to bring the ceiling down to that height. Not going to film all this welding around here, but figured I'd show you just a little bit here of what it's looking like. For some reason this steel here doesn't weld very good in some spots, like there looks like crap, and then over here I got some nice ones. And it's steel, it rusted on the edge, so I know it's steel. Magnet holds to it. Yeah, it's just not welding very good some places. But yeah, I tacked it in each corner. Had about six clamps around here, and tacked it in each corner. Then now I'm just going along here and tacking it every inch all the way around. And we'll keep going around and around and around until we get it all filled in. So yeah, as you can tell, I'm just welding it right on the edge. This is pulled up right up against it. Again, this bar, that bar right there is just there for keep it straight until I get this all welded up. Gonna fit real nice. Fits pretty good. Looks like I won't be able to have my sun visors in the original spot like I wanted to, but happy with how high it sits. Definitely wouldn't want it any lower. So what I'm going to do now, this right here, bracket, right here, it's getting in my way. Just leftover channel from the original cab. I'm going to cut that out of the way. Then same on this side. Then we're going to bend. So I've decided not to put a complete ceiling, metal ceiling in this. The headliner, I'm just gonna make a piece, make my headliner basically to either screw or whatnot up to here. Square over. So I'm not gonna put any metal headliner in it. What I'm thinking is we'll just bend the L shape that goes up at this height. We'll just bend the sheet that goes up and like an inch tab up and inch tab in, so we can fasten the headliner. We can fasten it here and fasten it over there, and then we can pull the headliner down if we ever need to do maintenance on the motors or pull this sunroof for any reason. Tracing it out on the outside. Cut that. You guys like more time lapse, or you guys like the straight through video of working? I don't talk a lot, so should I do more time lapse? Maybe. Let me know in the comments. And I gotta get a pattern made here, and then we'll put it over on sheet metal and get it cut out. Gotta tack that all the way around there, all the doors, and solid weld that joint. Well, almost got it done. Ran out of gas, unfortunately, Saturday evening. So we're gonna call it quits, but that's how she's looking. Sunroof in. Headliner mounts. While the back isn't in yet. Ran out of gas. Hope you guys are enjoying this project as much as I am. Not sure what we'll be doing next video, but there'll be another one coming. So until then, have a good night or day whenever you're watching this. See ya.